In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's quickly check the complete code implementation of the longest palindromic substring. So I will simply say create a where longest palindrome function, right? So this is my function where I have one string s, and here what I will do, I will simply create list. I will simply say if my s dot length length is less than equals to 1, that means I have a single character, I will simply return s, right? Then I will start with my maximum variable as or longest, and say suppose longest equals to s of 0. You can start with the first character, okay, and then you will simply learn a loop that will start from 0 to I less than s dot length minus 1 and I plus plus. Now here what you will do, you will check the two cases, right? So I will say let odd case can be one case, check palindrome, I will call my check palindrome function, right? And I will pass is I comma I, right? Then in the next case, I will check the even case, right? So I will check for even case palindrome, right? In even case, what I will do, I will pass I and I will pass I plus 1. That's why I have calculated till s dot length minus 1, right? Now here, when I'm passing till here, I will check the cases. If odd case dot length, because it will return me the length, is greater than my max dot length, I will simply return max equals to odd case, right? If suppose my even case dot length is greater than my max dot length, what I will do, I will simply return max equals to even case, right? And in the last, what I will do, I will return the longest, not max. Basically, here I have stored the longest. So let me say longest dot length. Longest will be the odd case. So here in the last, I will simply return the longest. Okay. So this will be my longest palindromic function, right? Now here the function comes check palindrome, right? So check palindrome, I have S, L and R, right? I have one condition while, let me put it here, while L is greater than equals to 0 and R is less than S dot length, right? And if S of L is equals to S of R, then what I will do, I will simply move my pointers, right? So here I will say L minus minus, not plus plus, L minus minus, I will move in the left direction. And then I will say R plus plus, I will move in the right direction, right? And when I will come from here, I will simply return S dot substring, okay? That will start from L plus 1 to R, okay? And here also I will pass this S length. So here, like here we have done s dot s substring. So I guess this there is no need. So s dot substring that is run from L plus 1 to R, right? So you are returning in substring from length L to R, right? Here it will check the odd case length, right? If it is greater, it will basically update it, right? So yeah, this will be my code implementation of this problem. I hope you got it. In the next video, I will give you a quick dry run of this problem. So in the next video, let's check out a quick dry run of this problem.